Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a supply haul from FauxLeather.com. I saw this ad on my Facebook and I had to go check them out, and I was really happy I did. I've also had some of them pinned on my Pinterest board for a while, and again, I am really happy I checked them out. I am also filming on a brand new camera, so hopefully the video quality and sound quality is perfect. To start off, I got four bow kits, and I will be linking everything down below for you guys so you can find it. But I did get 4 bow kits, and they all came they're pre-cut kits. They came in their own individual little bags. I got a Kuromi one. I got Harry Potter. I got Bluey. And I got a Cupcake Minnie Mouse one. So, I've looked at all of this stuff already. But the faux leather actually looks like a really nice quality. And this Minnie Mouse kit came with the clip, the center, all of the pieces, and a small bag of rhinestones to do some embellishing. Each one of these kits, I want to say, was around $4. No more than 5. So they were somewhere between $4 and $5 for the kits. And honestly, I think for the price, you get a whole bow's worth of bow pieces in here. And some of these centers, like this Bluey one, are really nice. So I'm impressed. 2 of the kits came with clips, 2 of them did not. I would recommend, if you're going to get the kits that do not come with the clips, to purchase 3-inch alligator clips, because those are the size that you're going to need according to the other kits. I shopped her clearance section, and I got a roll of Encanto faux leather, and the print is beautiful. I'm really happy with it. It has Antonio, Mirabelle, Louisa and Isabella. So I'm happy with it. I think it's nice, and the print is small enough that it'll work on different size bows. And like I said, I got a roll of it. I think I paid like $7 for this roll. And I mean, there's a lot there. So again, I'm happy with it. I got some Wednesday centers. They're going to go along with some faux leather sheets that I got that I will be showing you in a few minutes. These were 5 centers, I believe, for like $3. The print is nice and clear on them. I've taken them all out and looked at them. They're nice, good thickness. So I'm happy with those. And here come all of the individual sheets that I got. We got another Encanto one. I'll bring it up so you guys can see the print on that. I got a series of Nightmare Before Christmas ones. I'm going to start at the back. We have this one that has just the Jack faces on it. That one also I got in clear. I'm a little iffy on the spacing on the sides and the top. Like, you can see where the sheet ends here, but the print ends there, and on the top it ends here, but you can see where the print ends. I'm a little iffy on that. That's just a little bit of wasted space. I'm not 100% upset with that, but I can overlook it. And this is a clear vinyl sheet. The print is on the back, so you're not going to be worried about rubbing it off on the front. I got this Jack sheet with the Sally print on the back. And I got this sheet that has the Sally print where the yellow is a gold foil. And I thought that was really pretty. And I think it'll look nicely with that sheet. I got Bluey. I'll bring that up so you guys can see that. Again, nice thickness. We have this Wednesday where she's a little on the thin side, but it's still workable. Bring it up so you guys can see that print. I love the fact that it's got Enid in there too. And the last two are Wednesday. This, it looks like it started to print again over here, and I got that little bit of it, but I can work around that. Just says Wednesday all over it. And then the last Wednesday print. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to hit my camera. The last Wednesday print. I'll bring it up so you guys can see that. And I was really impressed because I bought all of this, and she sent me a really cute extra sheet. It's all Disney princesses. There's Aurora, there's Cinderella, Belle, Snow White, Anna, there's Alice, Ariel, Rapunzel, and Elsa. I thought this was cute, and this was a free gift, so yeah, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this sheet. I'm really happy with it. But guys, this was the entire of my little supply haul from Faux Leather. Like I said, I will link all of the individual sheets down below and all of the individual items that I purchased. I will be doing a video on at least one of these kits, putting them together. So keep an eye out for those. Thank you guys for tuning in. I just wanted to show you guys the supplies I got and perhaps introduce you to a new supplier. I love the fact that she included a free sheet. I really do. I appreciate that, and I think that is so sweet, and to say thank you. I think that is a great thank you from her. So if you guys have not shopped from Faux Leather yet, please check them out. Again, I will link everything down below for you, as well as the website link. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye!